Today I'm going to put Thinsulate inside my door panels. So I have this large piece of Thinsulate here, and I'm going to do the driver's side door. However, this is the passenger door, so I'm using this to template because I'm going to have the white side facing in. It's easier to draw on the black side. I'm just going to use a basic crayon and go about 1 inch around the entire outside of this door. Crayons work really well, so I've got a white one here. Hey, if you want a bright color, grab one from your kids. They won't mind. Gonna cut this piece out now. Okay. To protect my door panel on my workbench, I'm going to set out a packing blanket. Like I said, I wanted the white facing in, so look at that. The passenger door, because the black side was up, makes the template for the driver door panel. Feels like I've got an even inch all the way around. Good. So what I'm going to do is go around each of these pegs, each of the places where screws come through for holding the door on. We just need to make relief cuts for all of these spots. Starting right here at the bottom, there are the two 7mm holes. Screws go here when we put the door back on. There we go. Let's do this knob. Get ourselves a pinch. Do not cut your fingers, please. There we go. See, that's how that works there. Effectively, every place where one of these exists, there's the taller pegs. There's going to be a circle for the speaker. Where's that here? And, well, let's just keep going. All right, we're up to the circle for the speaker. And because we've got a couple of these holes now, we know where our Thinsulate's going to sit on the door panel, so it's safe to draw the circle that you're going to cut out for the speaker. Here's one of the places where one of our 7mm screws comes through. Here, I believe, is where one of the T20s comes through. This location here is for the screw behind the reflector. And I'm just going to cut that out completely so it's not in the way. Here we have two together, so we're just going to do one big relief here. We have a hole here for one of the bolts. I'm just going to cut right across this corner. It's not going to miss much to not have that piece of insulation in there. As we get towards the top, we have a lot of places where the connections are. For example, the door latch, the lock and unlock in windows, things like that. So this is the bolt that's in the handle for closing the door. So we want to make sure all that stuff's clear. Okay, we've got everything cut out, so let's get it all stuffed in. If you need to adjust anything, now's the time. Okay, that's it. We're done. You've now got Thinsulate inside your door panel. We'll see you on the next one.